Many of you may be a little puzzled about the cause of earthquakes. Well, if you are, just come along with me. See, what we're going to do is take a little journey below the surface of the Earth, and I'll show you what causes those, what we call terrible tremors. Now, you'll want to pay real close attention to the vertical line you see on the picture there. See, this is where all the trouble starts. Now, this is called a fault line, and what that really means is a crack or a fracture in the Earth's crust there. Now, see, tremendous pressure starts building up along that fault line there and tries to get those crustal rocks, the ones that are going like this in the picture, tries to get them to move out of position or do a little slipping. Boy, down that deep, friction is just real strong, see, and it just what keeps them from moving and just holds them right in place there. But the pressure keeps building up, boy, and pretty soon the rocks just start bending there like that, and well, first thing you know, they just break. See, that just snap right into a new position. Now, when that happens, well, what the energy that was stored up in those rocks just gets released all at one time there, and we call those seismic waves. They just, boy, they radiate in every direction and even get up right up the surface there. Now, when we feel those up the surface, we call that little trembling that we feel. Well, we call that an earthquake. Now, don't be alarmed. What we're feeling right now is actually kind of a mild earthquake, real gentle. But you know, Mother Earth isn't always quite that gentle. Well, sometimes the shock can be pretty doggone severe, if you want to know the truth. In fact, that's going to about wrap up my lecture on earthquakes, unless you have any questions. Class dismissed.